Express 3 whole number 1 divided by 3 minus 2 whole number 1 divided by 2 divided by 5 divided by 12 in its simplest form. This is a multiple choice question, and so we will solve the question, and after that we will pick the correct option. This can be written as the numerator, which is 3 whole number 1 divided by 3 minus 2 whole number 1 divided by 2 in a bracket divided by 5 divided by 12. We have to change the mixed fraction here to improper fractions. So let's do that for the first one. It's 3 whole number 1 divided by 3. We will multiply 3 by 3 and then add the result to the numerator. 3 times 3 is 9. 9 plus 1 is 10. So we will have 10 divided by 3. For the second one, we will have 2 times 2, which is 4. 4 plus 1 is 5. So 5 divided by 2. We will change the division sign here to multiplication, and then we will reciprocate the fraction. So times 12 divided by 2. Let's solve what we have in the bracket. We have 10 divided by 3 minus 5 divided by 2. They don't have the same denominator, so we have to find the LCM. The LCM of 3 and 2 is 6. We now have a common denominator for them, so we have to find the numerators. To get the first numerator, we will divide 6 by 3. 6 divided by 3 will give us 2, and then we will multiply the result by the numerator here. 6 divided by 3 is 2, so we multiply 2 by 10, and so the first numerator will be 2 times 10. To get the second one, we will divide 6 by 2, which will give us 3, and then we will multiply it by the numerator. So it will be 3 times 5. We already have a negative sign here, so we will bring it here. And so the numerator will be 2 times 10 minus 3 times 5. Let's put the bracket around it. We already have times 12 divided by 5 here. 2 times 10 is 20. 3 times 5 is 15. So we will have 20 minus 15 divided by 6 times 12 divided by 5. 20 minus 15 is 5. So you have 5 divided by 6 times 12 divided by 5. 5 cancels itself 1 and cancel 5 here 1. 6 cancels itself 1 and cancels 12 here 2. And so you have 1 times 2 divided by 1 times 1. And this will give us 2. When we look through the options, we can see that the correct option is C.